Saving money for marriage requires careful planning and commitment. Here are some effective strategies to help you reach your financial goals. Now begin by setting a clear budget for your wedding. Okay? Research the costs associated with venues, catering, attire, other expenses to establish a realistic target amount. All right? Create a savings plan by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back, such as dining out or entertainment, and redirect those funds to your wedding savings. Open a dedicated savings account specifically for your wedding. This keeps your savings separate and allows you to monitor your progress. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your wedding savings account. All right? Now, you got to treat this as a fixed expense to ensure consistent contributions. Consider finding ways to increase your income, such as taking a part-time job or freelance work. Any additional earnings can be directed to your wedding fund. All right? Now, involve your partner in the planning process, to set shared financial goals. Shared financial goals. And basically, you can also consider asking family and friends to contribute to your wedding fund instead of, traditional gifts. By allowing these strategies, you can effectively save for your marriage and create a memorable celebration.